Hello and welcome. We all want to live a successful, hate life, don't we? We all wish for a good career, perfect health, and peace at home. You are probably heard many times that you just need to think it and the universe will deliver everything to you. Like some kind of magic. People call this is the law of attraction. But today we are going to talk about a strategy that is much stronger, deeper, and more powerful than that supposed magic. This is not a new method, it is the oldest, truest, and most effective formula provided by our faith. This formula is not just about thinking, it's all about a heart connection. If you truly want to change your life, you must understand these four fundamental principles: Tawheed, oneness of Allah, dua, supplication, and tawakkul, reliance on Allah. Step 1. Where is the real power? Tawheed and Niyyah. The first and the most crucial step on the journey to success is understanding Tawheed, the oneness of Allah. When we talk about the law of attraction, it's often claimed that your thought or your vibration are the creative force, but Islam teaches us that the only source of creation and power in this entire universe is Allah. Why is this understanding necessary? If you believe that only your thought can create everything, you might become arrogant. But when you believe that Allah is the ultimate giver, you remain humble and Allah helps become accessible to you. Your job, setting a pure intention. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, actions are only by intentions, and every man shall have but that which he intended. What should the intention be? Whether your goal is good health, blessed sustenance, or a righteous relationship, your intention should be that by achieving this thing, you will be able to perform worship and serve people better. When you align your intention with Allah's pleasure, your ordinary work also become worship. Then this is no longer just your goal, it's become aligned with Allah's will. Step 2. Ask wholeheartedly. Dua, supplication. Was the law of attraction called ordering from the universe? Islam called dua. Dua is far more powerful than any order because it connects directly to the authority who created the entire universe. Dua is not just asking, it is the form of worship. Allah say, call upon me, I will respond to you. How to make your dua effective? Ask with conviction. When you make dua, do it with firm conviction that Allah is listening to you and He will decide what is best for you. This is about trusting Allah's promise far more than just feeling good. Ask with intensity. What the law of attraction called feeling it, Islam called iltija, ardent appeal, crying before Allah, expressing your needs with complete sincerity. This is the emotional involvement that carries the dua to the heaven. Do not rush. Sabr, patience. Sometimes we won't think immediately, but Allah knows better when something is right for us. Having patience after making dua is also an act of worship. Step 3. Put in the hands work. Put in the hard work, amal action and husna ad-dan, below positive expectation. Just thinking or making dua will not suffice. You must take action to achieve success. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ once advised, tie your camel and then rely upon Allah. Tawakkul. This means you have to put in practical effort with complete honesty and dedication towards your dream. Amal, the effort. If you want to be wealthy, you must work, learn and adopt business principle. If you want to be healthy, you must maintain a good diet and exercise. Taking action is your responsibility. Husn ad-dan bila, positive expectation from Allah. This is the most beautiful form of law of attraction, visualization. It means to always have a good expectation of Allah. You know that Allah will not will anything bad for you, and He will definitely accept your efforts and dua in the way He knows is best. This positive thinking will prevent you from breaking down. The real vibration, taqwa. If the law of attraction speak of changing your vibration, Islam teaches us to purify your internal state through taqwa, pity and God consciousness. Allah promises, and whosoever fear Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect. Surah Al-Talaq. This is the most powerful guarantee law of attraction. Step 4. Reliance and peace, qadr, divine degree and tawakkul. This principle is what remove all worries and anxiety from your life. The outcome is with Allah. Qadr. We make dua, we put in the effort and we hope for the best. But the financial result is what Allah has decreed for us. Qadr. Knowing this means you never have to despair, because if you did not get your desired outcome, it was certainly the best decision for you. Complete reliance, tawakkul. After putting in the effort and making dua, you must place complete trust in Allah. This trust gives you peace. You know what, you fulfill your part, not the burden of the result lie with the master who loves you more than 70 mothers. So friends, the true secret to success is not in the power of your thought, but in the power of Allah. The real formula is pure intention, niyyah plus complete effort, amal plus humble supplication plus absolute reliance is equal to success and peace in this world and the hereafter. Focus on taking action and relying on your Lord, not just on thinking. We will meet in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.